Hello everyone, in this video, we will see how to scan local channels on Hisense Smart TV. Plug in your antenna or cable connection to the RF input on your Hisense TV. Using your Hisense TV remote, press the menu button to access the main menu. In the menu, navigate to Settings, Setup, or a similar option. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on your Hisense TV model. Within the Settings menu, look for an option related to antenna setup, channel setup, tuner setup, or channel search. This is where you will initiate the channel scan. If prompted, select whether you are using an antenna or a cable or satellite connection. Select the option to scan or auto-tune channels. This action will initiate a search for available channels based on your antenna or cable connection. Allow the TV some time to complete the scanning process. It may take a few minutes as the TV searches for all available channels. After the scan is complete, the TV may ask you to save the channels it found. Follow any on-screen prompts to save the channels to your TV's channel list. Once the scanning and saving process is done, exit the Settings menu to return to Live. Use your Hisense TV remote to navigate through the channels. The local channels detected during the scan should now be available in your channel lineup. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.